My name is David Lindores. I'm the Development Manager at Eureka Solutions, and I'm going to be talking about our latest add-on module for Sage 200, Eureka Web PO. I'm going to talk about the key features of the module, why we decided to do it, and some background information about how it actually works. So why did we actually decide to make the module in the first place? At Eureka Solutions, we're all about customer requests. A lot of our customers have required this key functionality to remotely create purchase orders without their users having access to the key financial system. We then, with the introduction of the cloud into Sage 200 and all the buzz around about that, decided that we would create a product that would use that technology to create purchase orders online. So what are some of the key features of the module? It allows you to create purchase orders in a quick manner, and we spent a lot of time looking at how customers actually enter purchase orders to make the purchase order entries interface as fluent as possible for them. It allows you to view stock information, view supplier information, all online in real time. And all of that's done through a web process that I'll talk about later on that connects the systems together. It allows you to print off purchase orders, and the system's fully skinnable, so that means that you can actually make the system look and feel like your corporate website. The system's built in a way so that it runs off your standard web browser. So that means that it can work through Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox, it can work on your LAN, off-site or on-site, and because it works in Safari, it also runs on your iPad. So you can actually remotely enter purchase orders on your iPad while out and about on the road. Companies that may be suitable for: local authorities, for example, where you've got lots of employees who've got to enter purchase information, but you've got a key financial department. The equivalent could be schools or academies who've got lots of different departments. They've got to buy in supplies, books for the departments, but they've again got a key financial system. It could be retail buyers who are out buying stock. They could be in a different country, but they can do all the purchasing through our Sage 200 web interface. One of the advantages of that is it then links into the Sage authorization system and picks up all the standard key authorization features. So a user can create a purchase order in our interface, and then somebody else can pick it up through the authorization routine in Sage 200 and approve or disapprove that purchase order. So how does the Eureka web-based purchase order entry system work? Well, it's all down to this web service engine, which is created using WCF, which is Windows Communication Foundation. And what that allows us to do is pass information between Sage 200 and a website. So it will sit on the middle on your IIS server, which will allow for real-time information to be passed between Sage 200 and the web service. And it does all that using the Sage Business Objects. So that means it's a fully supported Sage add-on. So what it does is, it will pass your purchase orders, stock information, and allow you to create purchase orders into the Sage 200 system. The web service then links with the web interface, which is the other section that's sitting on your IIS server. And it's the web interface that you'll actually see and interact with. And we've taken the web interface and made it as user-friendly as possible to allow you to quickly enter purchase orders. That web interface is then projected via IIS out to the web using a standard web browser. So that could be Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome or Safari. And that means that you can access the web purchase order entry from anywhere. One of the advantages of the web service is this engine allows us to expand and add other elements into it. So eventually, in the next coming months, we'll have Web ESO, which will be our sales order entry system. Will allow you to create purchase orders, view customer information, all again from a web interface. But the web service again allows us to connect other modules to Sage 200. So that could be, for example, SharePoint. Using the web service, it will connect to SharePoint and pass information, allow you to do real-time reporting for Sage 200 via SharePoint. It's a really powerful system that we will expand and use and eventually make other key areas of Sage 200 available via the web. Thank you for watching our video on the Eureka web-based purchase order entry module. Hope you like what you see. If you're interested, please look at our website eurekashowcase.co.uk, which has got a live example of the website. We're so confident that we allow users to go on and trial our site in a live demo environment that links into a Sage 200 system. You can view some sample skins that we've got, so please go onto the website and take a look.